Hey Northridge Nation, Tech Tim here, and I'm at the doorway of Briann's Jeep. You may ask who Briann is. She is our videographer who's usually on the other side of the camera. But she has a problem, so she called me out to take a look. So let's see what she has to say. Hi Briann, what seems to be the problem?
So I turned my key, went to shift into gear, and it's just not letting me.
Okay, show us.
It's really loose.
So do you think there might be something broken in there?
I think might be something broken.
All right, so what do you say we get your Jeep into the shop and see what we can find?
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.
So I climbed underneath the Jeep and looks like the linkage is all there and it's not moving at all when Briann shifts the vehicle or shifts the gear shift lever. And so we're guessing it's all right here in the console. The first thing we need to do is get this console apart. All right, you can grab a hold of the back of this trim piece and pop it up. And it'll slide right over the top. Now this is a 2010 model. Every model is going to be a little bit different. All right, so what it turns out to be, this is the shifter end of the cable, and it had popped off the little stud. I slipped it back on and it's nice and tight and locks in, but there's an issue. Maybe you find out that if your shifter is not shifting into gear and it feels real loose, it could be that little guy right there. Now, if you have a real sloppy shifter cable, you'll feel that in the gear shift lever and it'll move, and that's because these little clips here, these little plastic clips will break and wear out. We just pushed it back in, it's nice and tight, nothing looks broken, not sure why it came out, but there was our problem right there. So if you've got shifter issues, maybe this might be one of them.
So what do I say?